Hello everyone and welcome. I think that most of you have already seen the video about the Hardwire cutters on the new Leatherman Arc breaking on camera while doing their job. So today I want to show you how these two tools perform. Here we have the Leatherman Freestyle and the Victorinox switch amp that has the little pliers from Victorinox. You can find in multiple models. The Leatherman Freestyle is like the Skeletool. This one you can find the Leatherman Freestyle right now. You can find it only on the used market on eBay. They are around 20 to 30 euros or dollars. This plier head is the same of the Leatherman Skeletool, and all Leathermans and the basic models have non-replaceable wire cutters. So let's see, I have a bunch of different wires or different measure. So let's start with this one. Here is a 0.7 millimeters Leatherman. Never work. You put the wire right here, no problem. Here we have the small pliers in the Victorinox. These are the standard pliers. There is also a different model where you can find the Leatherman range. And these little pliers right here works really good for precision tasks, and they have this little Hardwire cutter inside here. Really no problem for the small pliers. This wire here is a 1.2, yeah, 1.2. Okay, right here, no problem. This one, of course, these are smaller pliers. Okay, way smaller, so you feel more strength for cutting these kinds of big wires like this over the millimeter. So let's see. Okay, it was a bit harder, as I said. This one is a bit thicker, almost 1.3, almost, yeah, 1.3 millimeters with the Leatherman. Okay. Okay, no problem. Expecting the piece of wire going everywhere. Okay, we are near the limit with this one. Okay, no anywhere, but cut it right through. And the last one, this one is a 1.5 millimeters. Here. Okay. This one here. This is the maximum, and you will see it with more. I don't recommend going more than 1.5 because really is the maximum for these little pliers. Wait a moment, because it's getting a bit difficult to cut. Okay, went right through. Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do this again. Okay, went right through. I don't even know where it is, but cut it right through. I think that 1.5 is really the maximum. Wire. This is really the maximum wire you can put inside these little pliers, and they are still good. I mean, so you're seeing these two tools cutting through different wires, steel wires, and they work really good for this. They don't cost 300 euros and about $240, and they are still here. You see, there was a problem in the Leatherman P2 before. It was sticking when cutting through Hardwire, because the jaws of the plier head was messed up after cutting. But this one is really good, and the more you use it, the more it gets better. Gets better with time. These all plier heads, even in the wave, I don't have a wave, but these all plier heads are all the same, and they get better with time. They loosen up a bit and they get better. These little pliers from Victorinox, really good. You see here these center pins quite strong, and it has also this nice hardwire cutter. I use this one just a bit, not a lot, but only for smaller wires like this. But most of the time I use the Leatherman for hardwire cutting. Prices, you can find these pliers in Victorinox models starting from 40 euros now. Prices are going a bit up, like everything, but of course if you find one used, you can find it for less. The Leatherman Freestyle is no longer for sale. You can find a cheap used one. They are all about in the 20, 30, 40 range. It's a nice tool, nice little pliers with a nice knife, an opening knife, but you can really use and abuse for work and buy another one if you need one. But the updated version is the Leatherman Skeletool, but it has the bit driver on the end. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.